Hello and welcome to this series. It's about ordinary differential equations in general, being the general terminology. So we're going to be learning about differential equations. But first of all, let's start by understanding what are differential equations. So differential equations are basically equations that contain some sort of derivatives. Okay, so whenever you look at an equation and you see or you spot a derivative, that equation is a differential equation. So on the screen you can see some examples, beginning with the A part. So you have dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 7. So this is a differential equation. Now going over to the B part, 3y minus 4 dy by dx minus 4d squared y by dx squared equal to 0. It's another differential equation, okay, because of the presence of both this particular first derivative and this particular second derivative. So in the differential equation you can have a combination of several derivatives of the particular variable in quotes. Okay, then we have C, you have d3y by dt cube all squared minus dy by dt plus 7y equal to O. Let's give it a sign. See over here, I must have skipped that. So looking at this particular one, for instance, you can see that this is it's a differential equation. Yes, though it's looking funny and it's looking complicated and it's looking tough, it's also a differential equation. You have a third derivative, you have a first derivative. You can see that this third derivative is raised to a power of 2. It could be any other power, it could be any other number. So it's just an instance. Okay, this is just an instance of what a differential equation is. Then going over to D, you can see this funny symbol, this funny looking symbol, and most of us will be wondering what is this symbol. Okay, this symbol goes by many names, but it is commonly called the del operator, del. Okay, del or though or partial, but I'll rather we go with this one. So you hear me say del f by del x is equal to del f by del y plus 3f. Then on this other side you hear me say del 2u, sorry, there's supposed to be 2 here, del 2u by del x squared plus del 2u by del y squared is equal to 0. So these are examples of differential equations. But what are D and E exactly, since they're using the funny symbol? Okay, they are called partial differential equations. Any equation that you see the use of this particular del operator, okay, or partial operator, you call it a partial differential equations. Now if the equation uses the normal small d operator, that's the basic one that we know, then you call it an ordinary differential equation. So A, B and C are ordinary differential equation, while E and F are partial differential equation, like this, E and F. Is that okay? So oh, not A and F, actually D and E. So basically this is the introduction to ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation, but this course will concentrate majorly on ordinary differential equation. Of course, once in a while we may borrow some techniques from partial differentiation, which I'll fully explain to us. Then we'll be learning about ordinary differential equations, how to solve them, first and second order ordinary differential equations. In the next video, join me as we learn about the order and the degree of ordinary differential equations. I will also learn about what is the independent variable and what is the dependent variable of a differential equation, to be precise, of an ordinary differential equation. So that's how we are going to be flowing. Let's start. Okay, so thank you for joining me in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.